In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install TurboTax from your Amazon account. If you purchase TurboTax through Amazon and you're ready to install it on your computer, this process is fairly straightforward. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect along the way. To get started, sign in to your Amazon account using the same account you used when you bought TurboTax. Once you're logged in, go to your account and then open your games and software library. This is the section where Amazon stores eligible digital software purchases, so if your TurboTax order was delivered digitally, that's where you'll find it. After you arrive in the library, look through your purchases and locate your TurboTax order. Take a moment to confirm that you're selecting the correct version, especially if you've purchased more than one software product in the past. Once you find TurboTax, click Download. This will begin the process of getting the installer file onto your computer. When the download prompt appears, save the installer file to a location that's easy to access, such as your downloads folder or your desktop. Choosing a familiar location can make the next step much easier, especially if you need to find the file quickly after the download finishes. Once the file has downloaded completely, open it and run the installer. Depending on your computer's security settings, you may see a confirmation message asking if you want to allow the program to make changes to your device. If that appears, approve it so the installation can continue. As the installer opens, follow the on-screen instructions. During setup, you'll be asked to enter the license code. You can find this code on your Amazon order page for TurboTax. Carefully copy it exactly as shown, since license codes need to be entered accurately to activate the software properly. If it helps, paste the code directly if your system allows it, or type it slowly to avoid mistakes. After the license code is accepted, continue through the installation prompts until setup is complete. At that point, TurboTax should be installed and ready to use. If you run into any issues, double check that you're logged into the correct Amazon account and that you're using the license code from the matching order page. Those are the most common things that can slow the process down, and that's how to download and install TurboTax from your Amazon account.